Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to record your PowerPoint slides during your presentation. You can professionally record your PowerPoint and you can share it with your audience in form of a video or in form of just normal recording during the presentation. So let's start from the beginning. Let's say I have these my slides and I want to start presenting from the beginning, but then I want to record. So you can come to slideshow mode and you can come to record option over here. You can click to this drop down and now you can see you can record from current slide. If you are at a particular slide and you want to start your recording from there, you can start current slide, or you can record from the beginning of your slide. So let's say from the beginning of my slide, and once you click on, you can see this is the recording section. We have a picture in picture here. I can have my image just by the side if this is what I want, and if I don't want it, I can always click to remove it. Okay, so let me show you the basics. Now down here you can see we have the laser tool. If you click it, you'll be able to have the laser tool and you can be different things. As you move on with your presentation, you can be able to highlight and showcase different sections and make your presentation very interactive. And over here you have the eraser tool. That's if you have used the pen tool. So the pen tool also you can click, depending on the color you choose, you can start writing immediately. Okay, you can start just writing and so on very easily. And if you want to use the eraser tool, you can now click and erase directly very easily, and you can see very fantastically. And if you want to use the highlighter tool as well, you can just click and you can highlight things on your own. The default is yellow color, and if you want to change it to something else, you can select and just be able to go on with your highlights. This is very useful. And of course, if you want, you can start recording from here. You can stop. This is the play recording if you want to see the options of what you've got. And then this is for your notes. Okay, you may wish to add presenter notes. So let's say at this slide, I want to talk about the ideation, for example. So for example, you have your notes already before you start, right? So it has to be before you start. You add the notes, and then while you're here, you can be able to play around with the notes. And then from that notes, you have this option. You can increase or decrease the size of the notes. If you're interested, you can increase or decrease it. I'll show you what I mean in a bit. So down here, you have the option to start recording, stop recording, and play the recording as you move on. Then you have some very basic settings over here, like microphone. You have to specify your microphone as well as the camera. If you want to use your camera, you can choose which camera you want to use, and then which microphone you want to use. You can define all of them from here. And then this picture in picture, you can enable or disable, just like the way you see my picture over here. You can have it in your presentation while you move on. So what I'm trying to say is that once you are done, you can always exit the recording by coming here. You can say end show, and then you are back to your presentation. So assuming here you have added your notes, this is what I'm trying to show you. Assuming you have your notes and you started your recording over here from the beginning, and then we will probably go to that slide where we have the notes. So as we go to this slide where we have the notes, you can always increase the sizing of your notes and decrease the sizing. That's what I mean. So for recording, you can just click on record, and you have this countdown timer, and then you start recording. You can see now your recording is in progress, and you can move from one slide to another very easily, and everything is being recorded while you explain everything, the conceptualization and so on. You can see you have explained everything, and once you're done, you can just stop. So you can play to have a preview.